Right, Ninja Warrior Leicester starts off mild, gets a bit spicy over there, and then chili hot sauce over that end. We're gonna start off on the mild bit. Big race on the mild.
This is Ninja Warrior UK.
Hi, I'm Henry and I'm from Toddington.
Joseph from...
Go. Oh, oh, Joseph's storming ahead. He's storming.
I thought I'd try to skip it.
My name's Harvey and I'm from Birmingham.
One.
Still going, Ben. He's not giving up. He's not going to let our course beat him. Not this time, Cam.
No, I touched. Touched, he touched. Joseph. Clear winner, clear winner.
Got 3 sections here. We're gonna do all of them at once, and I'm gonna put the GoPro in my mouth.
Is Ninja Warrior UK.
He has never been in better shape, Ben.
Never been in better shape, and he's never been this far. How's his fingertip strength?
It's amazing, Ben.
Smooth and elegant so
It's
far.
amazing.
Come on now, Tim.
This transition is the difficult one, Ben, as we know.
He's going for a reverse leap. Cammy, no one's tried this. They usually try and turn. Oh, TMC! Different class!
We're at the chili hot sauce part now. It's a bit more tricky, a bit more skill required for this one. It's like the adults version, I think. I think over there is for kids. But look at Hen absolutely deleting the course right now. That is an athlete if I've ever seen one.
Body as he grips each time, legs to keep you tight, and the core to keep you in place.
Yeah, he's got all of that, Ben. And he's not doing too bad whatsoever. Look how high he is up the red mark. That's very, very good. It's
You
all
can see the
how
grip
you get
tape
off
gets
this.
shorter now. The dismount
Turn
is
backwards.
constant.
Well, we know how strong he is, Ben. He's got so much power.
Okay, both those rings. This is all about grip strength now. How much has he got left in the tank? It's going to be the first woman to complete the Ninja Warrior semi-final course. Hit the buzzer, Katie! One of the smallest competitors left in the competition, 63 kilos. So this should be right up his street, taking his weight and his hands. He moves along the monkey pegboard. He's got a minute left, Cam. He's got a minute to get off and get through the walls. Now he needs to generate rhythm. Watch him use his legs here to build up the momentum. So in order to make that dismount, 50 seconds, he's got plenty of time. He's gone for it. He comes to our walls now, 3-1. Go, 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 go! Yeah!
Oh, he smashed it.
I'm not. Yes! Yes!
What should you say?
There's more time to beat.
Big indoor inflatable course, POV.